Hey everyone, and welcome to eGreen Channel. I'm so excited to have you join our community dedicated to promoting health and wellness. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video to help spread the message of healthy living. Our goal is to provide you with valuable insights and resources to help you make informed decisions about your health. We'll be covering a wide range of topics, from nutrition and fitness to mental health and disease prevention. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Let's kickstart our journey with spinach, a true nutritional superstar. This leafy green is an excellent source of iron, crucial for red blood cell production and oxygen transport.
But spinach's benefits don't stop there. It's also packed with vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health.
Spinach is a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in countless ways. Add a handful of fresh spinach to your smoothies for a nutritional boost, or saute it with garlic and olive oil for a simple yet delicious side dish. Spinach also works wonders in omelets, pasta dishes, and salads.
Remember, a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables is paramount for maintaining optimal health and well-being. By making small, sustainable changes to your eating habits, you can significantly impact your overall health and vitality.
Stay tuned as we delve into the next superfood on our list and unlock a world of flavor and nutrition. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to spread the message of healthy living. Together, let's embark on a journey toward a healthier and happier you. Next up is kale, another leafy green powerhouse that deserves a spot on your plate. Kale is often hailed as a superfood due to its exceptional nutrient density, boasting an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants.
This nutritional powerhouse is a fantastic source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your cells against damage from harmful free radicals.
But kale's benefits extend far beyond its vitamin C content. This leafy green is also a great source of vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health.
Incorporating kale into your diet is easy and delicious. Enjoy it raw in salads or smoothies, saute it with garlic and lemon juice, or roast it with olive oil and sea salt for a crispy and satisfying snack or side dish.
Stay tuned as we explore the next vegetable on our list and uncover its unique health benefits. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to inspire healthy habits. Together, let's embrace a lifestyle that prioritizes nutrition and well-being. 10. Moving on to another cruciferous vegetable powerhouse, broccoli. This versatile veggie is renowned for its potential cancer-fighting properties, thanks to its rich content of sulfur-containing compounds known as glucosinolates.
But broccoli's benefits don't end there. This nutritional powerhouse is also a fantastic source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects your cells from damage.
Broccoli is also a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting regular bowel movements.
From steaming to roasting, stir-frying to grilling, broccoli can be prepared in countless ways to suit your taste. Add it to soups, stews, and pasta dishes, or enjoy it as a healthy side dish with your favorite protein.
Stay tuned as we delve into the next vegetable on our list and unearth its remarkable health benefits. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to promote a healthier world. Together, let's make informed choices that nourish our bodies and enhance our well-being. 10.
Let's talk about Brussels sprouts. Those mini cabbages often misunderstood but packed with nutritional value.
Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements, and preventing constipation.
But the benefits of Brussels sprouts extend beyond their fiber content. These cruciferous vegetables are also a good source of vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health.
Vitamin K helps your body produce proteins that play a vital role in blood clotting, preventing excessive bleeding.
Vitamin C also plays a vital role in collagen production, essential for healthy skin, bones, and blood vessels.
Roasting Brussels sprouts with a little olive oil and seasoning brings out their natural sweetness and creates a crispy, caramelized exterior. Stay tuned as we explore the next vegetable on our list and uncover its amazing health benefits.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones to inspire healthier choices. Together, let's embrace a lifestyle that prioritizes nutrition and fuels our bodies with the best nature offers. 10.
Let's move on to a root vegetable that's a true vision hero, carrots. These vibrant orange wonders are renowned for their rich beta-carotene content, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision.
Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin A in the body and plays a crucial role in protecting your eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts.
They're also a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels.
Carrots are also a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and counteracts the negative effects of sodium.
Enjoy them raw as a snack, chop them into salads, or roast them with herbs for a flavorful side dish. Carrots are also a great addition to soups, stews, and smoothies, adding a touch of sweetness and a vibrant color.
Stay tuned as we explore the next vegetable on our list and uncover its remarkable health benefits. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to promote a healthier world.
Together, let's embrace a lifestyle that prioritizes nutrition and fuels our bodies with the best nature has to offer. 10.
Up next, we have a versatile and delicious root vegetable that's a true nutritional powerhouse, sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange beauties are renowned for their exceptional vitamin A content, crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function.
Vitamin A plays a vital role in cell growth and development, and it's essential for maintaining the health of your mucous membranes, which act as a barrier against infections.
They're also a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps regulate blood sugar levels.
Sweet potatoes are also a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and counteracts the negative effects of sodium.
Enjoy them baked, mashed, roasted, or grilled. Sweet potatoes are also a great addition to soups, stews, and curries, adding a touch of sweetness and a creamy texture.
Stay tuned as we delve into the next vegetable on our list and unearth its remarkable health benefits. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones to inspire healthier choices.
Together, let's embrace a lifestyle that prioritizes nutrition and fuels our bodies with the best nature offers. 10.
Chapter 7. Bell peppers, the vitamin C powerhouses.
Bell peppers add flavor and nutrition to any dish. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, crucial for collagen production and healthy skin.
Also rich in vitamin A for vision and immune function. Enjoy them raw, in salads, or stuffed.
Great in stir-fries, fajitas, and pasta. Stay tuned for more health benefits. Like, subscribe, and share for a healthier world. Chapter 8. Asparagus, the detoxifying dynamo. Asparagus is a spring favorite, known for its detoxifying properties and impressive nutritional profile.
Its diuretic effects help flush out excess fluids and toxins from the body.
Asparagus is also a good source of fiber, aiding digestion and regulating blood sugar levels.
It's rich in vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health.
Enjoy it grilled, roasted, sautéed, or blanched. Its unique flavor elevates many dishes. Chapter 9. Garlic, the antibacterial armor. Garlic, a pungent powerhouse, has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and health benefits.
Its antibacterial and antiviral properties come from allicin, released when garlic is crushed or chopped.
Enjoy it roasted, sautéed, or added to soups and sauces. Garlic adds depth to many dishes.
Stay tuned for the next vegetable and its health benefits.
Chapter 10. Tomatoes, the lycopene leaders. Finally, let's talk about a culinary staple that's bursting with flavor and nutrition: tomatoes. While often mistaken for a vegetable, tomatoes are technically fruits, and they're a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals.
Tomatoes are renowned for their lycopene content, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their vibrant red color.
But the benefits of tomatoes don't stop there. They're also a good source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals.
Tomatoes are also a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and counteracts the negative effects of sodium.
Enjoy them raw in salads, sandwiches, and salsas, or cook them into sauces, soups, and stews. Tomatoes' versatility and flavor make them an essential ingredient in countless cuisines worldwide.
Stay tuned for more informative videos on healthy eating and living. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones to inspire healthier choices. Together, let's embrace a lifestyle that prioritizes nutrition and fuels our bodies with the best nature offers. 10.
That's it for today's exploration of the healthiest vegetables you should be eating. Remember, incorporating a variety of colorful vegetables into your diet is essential for optimal health and well-being.
Don't forget to subscribe to eGreen channel for more informative videos on healthy living. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember to like and share this video with your friends and family to spread the message of healthy living. Until next time, stay healthy and well. And don't forget, subscribe to the eGreen channel for more interesting facts and tips on living a healthier life.